They don't need a tour guide because we remember the map from Portugal.
You like that, Steven? Like that?
They're in the parking lot right now. They're in the parking lot right now eating, but they're not where we parked. They're actually at the PNC Arena a little way from there. Because I made her turn the camera around and she showed me where the Wolfpack Stadium was, and I was like, yeah, you see that Wolfpack Stadium? I said, I'm parked over to the left of that. So she's not parked where we are. So, you know where I'm parked at, right?
You want to say watch the fireworks?
Exactly. If you know where I parked at, then you're gonna go just below where I parked at. Like if you can make it to my car, where you turned in at the porta potties, you're gonna go past my car and your car will be over there. You didn't park far from my car. You're turning that right into the in front of the indoor stadium. Okay. So hear me out. Follow that all the way to the end. Okay. And when you get to the building, you're going to go to the left and cross over in that little pedestrian walkway where they're directing people. Okay. When you cross over, go to the right. You can literally walk all the way down to those porta potties, straight down, and then you're going to go to the left and follow that all the way to your car on the right. You shouldn't run into them, but they are going to walk up that way to come up to the gate. So they're not really looking for you, so you just be looking for them.
Wind it out some. The scale will fall off is high. Now the magnifier and then the bigger one. I'm going to go over the what we call the hardy hole, which is the square hole.
We're walking this way. You want to sit here?
No, work it around so bar to the outside as much. Got a pretty decent round hole right now. So now what I'll do is I'm going to actually get a curved chisel, cut it off, and I'll actually put it on the end here, and I'll forge that hole big enough for bottling. So I still got a little bit of heat, so I'm just going to take it. Actually, I forgot. Got to thin this bar down just a little bit. All the way off because I could fly off and hit somebody. So I go most of the way through, pull my tool off because it does get hot, and I'll take it, I'll tap it. It's about to break off, so I'll get my tongs. I'll take it and I'll pop the rest of the way off. Leave that piece over there, go back to the fire. spot. I'm not going to turn it on an angle. I'm going to make a diamond shape. All the way around. Flip it over. So as I'm forging it, basically, it's hard to see, it's making almost a diamond. The cross sections in for the bottle opener portion. And it's thinning it out so the ring is getting bigger to make a bottle opener. The metal's starting to burn. Thankfully, it's not very bad at the moment. I almost left it in there too long. So that forge can easily get 3,000 degrees and melt the steel. So, you kind of see that circle get bigger every time I go around. Working it, trying to work both sides pretty evenly. You get an even circle. Sometimes I'll hit one spot more than the other. So there, that's about big enough. It's almost maybe too big, but we'll make it work. So that's going to be the bottle opener portion. I'm going to go ahead and make my mark for bottle cap popper with my round puller. Start there. Give it a tap. I know where I'm going to go. And now go back in. And then walk around. The reason I shake my hand like that is the heat's radiating off of the piece, and it's actually pretty hot in my hand. Sometimes, if I'm working it a lot, I'll wear a glove on this hand, but it's not too bad. So now, what I'm going to show you before I brush it, so there's the bottle opener.
Cool. Did you want to try this?
Don't touch it, it's hot.
It actually looks like I actually want to pet the thing. Yeah, he probably saw that coming. That's why he said don't. That's probably why he said don't touch, because he can see the pet. He's probably hearing the conversation. Now keep away from the horse lover that wants to pet the horse.
What's that do?
Basically, getting the scale, which is like the super rustic ones, it's like those kind of like flaky parts that fall off. That's the forge scale. It's basically just super fast oxidation in the forge. And now I'm brushing it off so that it'll get a little bit more cleaner finish. And I'm going to brush it with the brass brush next. That'll get some nice color.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am. Sometimes when you get burned, it's actually almost basically, that one's going to be a little bit 3rd degree, but it just singes the skin, and it doesn't actually hurt for the most part. It wasn't bad. At this temperature, it's about 5 to 6, 7 degrees.
You've probably been hearing me say I want to pet the horse.
Well, you can once I quench it and cool it off.
You know it'd be cool if you guys did a horse pick with the horse head. That would be cool.
Horse pick.
Yeah, could you pick the horse's hooves?
That's what we do. I haven't done that. That would be cool. So I just cooled it off because it was so hot before I put the wax on.
That little dip pulls it down that much?
Yeah, cools it down about at least a little bit so it doesn't smoke as much when I'm putting the wax on. And I'll take this and I'll wipe off. I'll quench it again in a minute once it's cool enough where the wax won't pop off. I'll show you on just a second.
Who wanted to pick the horse's hoof?
Thank you!
No. You can't have it because somebody else I know did this. I kept it as a design.
You can tell I'm a horse lover.
Still pretty warm.
One of our other demonstrators thought it does.